Gdb is one of the most important tool used by developers for debugging user space applications. With help of Gdb, you can put breakpoints, perform single stepping, resume or the application, stop the application, inspect memory, look into the variables, registers, and call stack, do a backtrace, etc. What if I can use Gdb and on a running Linux kernel? There's a problem here. GDB is a user space process and it needs kernel help to run. How can a GDB debug a running kernel without? So how can it put breakpoints on a live kernel? Solution for this is client server architecture. User space programs can also be debugged remotely using the combination of GDB server on the target machine and GDB on the development machine. So you should do not need to have the whole GDB on the target. Just need to have a server, GDB server on the target machine, and on the development machine you can have a GDB. This way you can debug user space applications remotely. Same concept can be used to debug Linux kernel using GDB. Linux kernel has a GDB server implementation. It is called Kgdb. Kgdb stands for kernel GDB. It is a GDB server implementation in Linux kernel. You can communicate with this over network or serial port. This way you can use all these operations and debug a running Linux kernel.